Hello everybody, tis I. We're back. Hopefully we're not gonna be in too much trouble. So, getting the three dog head pieces from the dissection room, the recreation room, and the living room, which sounds like a complete blast. I'm gonna see if I can make any headway with this, because maybe my shotgun powers let me do some serious stuff on these goop guys. That is nope, I heard someone speaking in my ear. Not a fan. Was that me? Did I do that? Okay, so only short range aggressiveness? Come on. Cannot see where you're coming from. God damn it. Fuck off with the banging shit. Really trying me with that stuff, game. Great. Oh shit! Ouch. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Ouch. Oh shit. Ouch. Oh, come on. Already out of ammo. Okay, I'm not doing something right. Maybe there's a melee weapon I can use. Because there are just so many of these guys. Okay, I don't even remember which way to get out of this place. Okay. Well, that was a catastrophe. So let's get the book head and other head first. Oh, God. Damn it. And, damn it. So, recreation room is try to get into there, I guess. Take that. Left. Oh, it's okay, I get. Oh, oh, recreation room. Ah, god damn it! So right by Grandma's room. Unfortunate. And then in the living room. Let's try to get to the living room first. Main hall. Main hall. Upstairs. Yep. Yeah. Oh, I left it. No. Three missing during Orbeck's trip. State authorities are asking for help locating three men who went missing during their travels to Delphi Parish from New Orleans on the 9th of this month. The missing men have been identified as Peter Walken, Andre Stickland, and Clancy Javis. The three produced videos for the internet and traveled to Delphi to shoot footage for the latest production. Their videos consist mostly of the group exploring abandoned buildings and haunted houses, which would be actually a really cool job to have. I'm kind of jealous of them, besides they kind of died because they went to heal. And they don't have plot armor or reality warping abilities. Migos Holder, oh yeah. Oh, goddamn. I'm thankful that it seems like there's mostly safe travel between these 2 points now. Because that would really not be good on my hull. Okay. Whoop. Where? Oh, wrong way. That's why. Okay. Oops. There again, you see this one. Yep. Damn. And I can check the recreation room upstairs by Gam's room. Jesus, this house is loud. I have no clue what time I have, so hopefully I'm recording. And now I spaz myself out. Yep. Where's Daddy? Yeah, I kinda knew the grandfather thing would probably do that. Did kinda startle me a little. So I think he patrols upstairs. Maybe. Okay. Book in the rec room? Report says a storm is coming. Had a lot of trouble cleaning up after the last one a few years back. I guess it's time to reinforce the windows and shore up the roof. Maybe I can get Lucas to help. The water has finally receded. The house is alright, but the whole house was badly damaged. Lucas is making a fuss about a huge ship. Oh, I've already read this. Almost like I've been here before. Yeah. What the fuck? Which book? Book in the recreation room. Nice. What book are you talking about? That's not right. Oh, that book, apparently. Then fucking doom and gloom downstairs. Oh, great. I am so spectacularly thrilled about my opportunity to go back down to Goopy Legrande's gross old cousin, the Moldbro. Ugh. I think I need this. Also, I just gotta keep them on me for a moment, put them away safe so Daddy doesn't take them if Whatever, that's chance. Fuck. I Okay, I'm gonna save first. So I got like 14 minutes to continue trying something. God damn. Treasure photo. Lovely. So, I'm never gonna remember that. Oh. It's really hard to fucking see. Yes, it's gonna be somewhat difficult to get to in here, isn't it? Well, let's see what I can do. Gross. Oh. Nice. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to take this tactically and slowly. Oh, yeah. Fair enough. Okie doke. Hopefully I can still use the scorpion doors without too much issue, but if not, I don't mind really. At least for the moment. Hmm. Yep. Oh fuck. What the fuck? Why did you just... Bleh. Are you dead? Mmm. Damn, it's fucking dark in here. Well. Oh shit, no. Me and the homies at 3 AM looking for beans. What the fuck? Do they really have a despawning ability that, oh. Come on, do I really have to kill them? Yeah. I don't know what to do. I genuinely don't know what to do. Oh. Ouch. Fucking matey. Ugh. Yes, I have the shotgun. I don't have any ammo for the shotgun. Oh, I can lockpick that guy. Oh, I'm special type of stupid, ain't I? Oh, I'm stupid. Okay, I at least have slightly bit more ammo than I did previously. Why do you sound so gross? Ugh. I don't remember. Bullets? Yes. This is what I was looking for. Oh yeah. So are you doing goopy little hunt now? Okay. Then activate the trio of ass-kicking badasses. Oh shit! Ouch. Please don't respawn, please don't respawn. I swear to God. Oh shit. Oh fuck, get off me. I fucking misfired both. Wow, I'm incompetent. Ay. I can't believe I fumbled a shot like that. That was straight up stupidity. On guard, bitch! Oh, that worked. Wow. Okay. Is that I need a key? There's a key needed. Oh boy. What the fuck? Maybe it's the Scorpion King? Scorpion? I don't know. I doubt it. Well, the only thing I could think that I got from this area would be treasure photo. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see if I can lockpick it, please. I really hope I can. Actual key. Okay. I guess treasure hunt it is, because I don't know what else to do. But actually, I think probably after I get a save point, probably good for this episode. Wait, I still haven't got the, dog head though, unfortunately. I don't. Okay, I gave myself turned around like that. The walk shop is the place I can't open. Whoops. Yeah, I did get turned around a bit. Okay. Seeing as how I have terrible navigation skills, this should be fun. But yeah, if you guys like this episode, like, comment, subscribe, whatever. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ta-tas for now.